here on South Shore Road at the cabin. We've got an RV hookup. We've got septic running down to here. We've got an extra lot right over there. Access with this drive all the way up. And all the way back down. It's a really nice area with some beautiful homes. You can see we are right across the street from the lake. With good views, especially if you trim these trees down just a little bit. Heading up the hill here. You do have plumbing in the cabin for the kitchen sink. And then an outhouse here. You can see the wellhead is right up there. And here's the cabin. Nice little A-frame. Good views of the water through the trees and a loft. It does have power, it does have water, it does have septic. Coming around this deck, there's the city power coming in. Here is the front of the cabin. And you can see you've got some peekaboo views of the water through here. And here is the neighborhood. Three, 3, 1, 4.